Well, I'm going to show you what I did. I'm not a welder. I don't have very much experience at it. I do have a welder though, obviously. And the biggest trouble I find is not only, getting it started, because it takes touch. This thing doesn't have touch. It's like trying to write your name at the end of a long pencil, and all you're doing is holding on to the end of a pencil like this and trying to write your name good. So I invented something. Instead of going like this and trying to be, with precision, it's hard to be precise trying to weld from when the stick's long. When it gets shorter, it's a lot easier. So what you want to do, you want to hold the end of it, hold the thing in your left hand, and then have a hold of the other end so you have more precision. But you don't want to grab it with your hand, so I invented this. 2 pieces of stick, about 4 inches long or so. Drill the hole about 1.5 inches down. Put the bolt with a wing nut. This here is just for a spacer, so I don't have to go down so far, just so I don't have to do it. Anyway, just loosen it up a little bit. Now down here I took some elastic band and I hot glued it, and then I put it down here. So I just kind of open it up, put the stick in like so. I'm trying to get it all on camera. I'm wearing my camera on my head. And you tighten it down. And then it gets snug. And now you do have some precision. I just made this. Took about 5-10 minutes. I actually spent more time looking for the right pieces of wood. These are like about 4 inches long. I believe this is like about 5/8 of an inch wide, 1/4 inch thick. So you just pinch the rod in here, tighten it down, and then you got some control. And you don't have to wait till the stick's all the way burnt down here, so you got some precision. You can, let me put it on here again. On here. And put it in like so. I put it about 4 or 5 inches from the end of the rod. And tighten it up. Now, like I say, I'm right-handed, so I would hold the clamp from the welder in my left hand, hold this in my right hand, and you just got so much. You got like literally 20 times more control. Haven't tried it yet, but I know it's going to work. I just thought I'd share it with you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.